We know. We at SensXPERT have been there. As engineers on a production line that employ polymer injection molding, your main concerns are process times, quality assurance, and scrap rates. And the best way to enhance these is to integrate affordable, durable, and smart SensXPERT sensors into your existing process. Because they measure material properties in mold in real time. Imagine, on a small scale, being able to see flow front detection, gel point, degree of cure and glass transition temperature as they are happening. Now, imagine on a larger scale, being able to compare the efficiency of different machines, processes, and production plants on a single dashboard from anywhere in the world, on any device. SensXPERT, with its advanced AI analytics, is an intelligent, evolving software solution for the Industry 4.0 age and beyond. With it, you can produce the highest quality polymer products with maximum output. We know. After 25 years of hard work, we at SensXPERT are at this point. Now, it's your turn.